In this quick guide, you'll learn how to create a Supabase Edge function. Supabase is a powerful platform that offers back-end services for your applications, and Edge functions allow you to execute server-side logic right at the edge, enhancing the performance and scalability of your apps. So, let's dive into the steps. First, you'll want to start by opening your web browser and heading over to supabase.com. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're on the Supabase homepage, you'll notice a clean and intuitive layout designed to make navigation a breeze. Next, look for the Projects tab. It's usually located at the top or along the side menu, depending on your screen size. Go ahead and click on it. This will lead you to a page showcasing all your existing projects. If you haven't created any projects yet, this is where you can start one. Now, you'll need to select the project you want to work with. Simply click on the project name and it will open up the project dashboard. This is your control center where you can manage and configure various aspects of your project. Once you're inside your project, take a look at the left-hand side menu. Here, you'll see an option labeled Edge Functions. Click on it. This section is dedicated to all things related to Edge functions, offering you the tools you need to set up and manage your server-side logic efficiently. In the Edge Functions section, you have a few choices. You can click on Open Editor to start coding your function directly in the browser. This is a fantastic option if you want a quick and straightforward setup without leaving the Supabase interface. Alternatively, you can choose Open Assistant for guided help or View CLI instructions if you prefer to work with the command line interface. Each of these options is designed to cater to different preferences and levels of expertise. If you're looking for a more guided approach, you might want to consider starting with a template. Supabase provides a variety of pre-designed templates that can give you a head start. This is especially useful if you're new to creating Edge functions or if you want to save time by building on a solid foundation. Once you've decided to use a template, select the one that best fits your needs. You'll see a range of options, each tailored for different use cases. Click on the template you've chosen, and it will automatically populate your editor with the necessary code and structure. And there you have it. You've successfully set up a Supabase Edge function. Whether you chose to code from scratch or started with a template, you're now ready to enhance your application with powerful server-side logic. Remember, the key to mastering Supabase and its features is practice and exploration. So don't hesitate to experiment and see what you can create. Thanks for joining this tutorial, and happy coding.